Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to assign a keyboard shortcut to any Microsoft Store app on Windows 11. For this, click on this one Start button, then click All Apps button. Now locate your app you want to assign a keyboard shortcut. Select that app and then drag it to desktop on the free space. When you see link option, lift your finger from mouse and it will create a desktop shortcut. Now right click on this one shortcut option, select properties, switch to this one key shortcut tab. Beside shortcut key, click on this one box. Now you can type any letter or number from your keyboard. In case I pressed 2 to assign the keyboard shortcut to this one Microsoft Clipchamp, Windows will automatically assign Control plus Alt to that shortcut. That means in my case, keyboard shortcut to open Microsoft Clipchamp will be Control plus Alt plus 2. To apply the changes, click on this one apply button, then click on this one open button, OK button. Now, whenever you want to open Clipchamp, I will just click Ctrl plus Alt plus 2. In case you want to pin it to the taskbar, select this one shortcut icon, drag it to the taskbar. When you see link option, lift your finger from mouse, it will sit on the taskbar, and now you can also access that application from the taskbar by a single click.